In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move ClickUp space to another workspace. The easiest and most reliable way to move a space between workspaces in ClickUp is to turn that space into a template. Then use that template in your destination workspace. This preserves your structure and saves tons of setup time. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed into the account that owns the space you want to move. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar where your spaces are listed. If your spaces are collapsed, expand them so you can see the one you want to move. Next, select the space you'd like to transfer. You want to open the space so its views and settings are active. Now, find the Space Options menu, which appears as a three-dot icon near the space name. This is where ClickUp groups all of the administrative controls for the space. From that three-dot menu, open the Templates section. Here you'll see the option to save the current space as a template. Choose Save as Template. This captures the space's structure, things like lists, folders, statuses, and views, so you can recreate it elsewhere. Depending on your permissions and plan, you may also see options related to tasks or other elements. Just remember, your goal is to preserve the core layout so it can be rebuilt in another workspace. When prompted, enter a clear descriptive name for the template. Good naming matters, especially if you manage multiple spaces. Consider including the date or a short context note so you can recognize it later. Look for the public toggle and switch it on. Making the template public ensures it's accessible outside the current workspace, which is essential for using it in your other workspace. Before saving, quickly review what the template will include to avoid carrying over anything you don't intend to share. Finally, click Save, Template. ClickUp will package everything up, which might take a moment for larger spaces. Once it's done, your space is now preserved as a reusable template. From here, you can access that template from the Template Center in your other workspace and rebuild the space there using the saved structure. That's it. By saving your space as a public template, you create a clean, repeatable way to move it between workspaces without losing your setup. If you ever update the original space and need to move it again, just save a new version with an updated name so you always know which one to use. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline your ClickUp workflow.